Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel Hi Mathematics. Today we have very interesting and in the same way this is a very tricky question from entrance examination. We know that AB equal to 10, BC equal to 20, CA equal to 30 and we need to find our sum A plus B plus C. So if you have your answer, your approach, you can also write your approach down into the comment section and then we will check your answers. This is a very tricky question and a lot of students fail to solve this question on their entrance examination. So right now I'm going to show you how we can solve this question correctly and step by step. So first of all, our first step, let's multiply AB times BC and let's divide it by CA. So let's do this fraction. So we have AB, we're gonna multiply by BC and we're gonna divide it by CA. Okay, CA. And we know everything. We know AB equal to 10, so it's equal to 10 times BC equal to 20, and we divide it by CA equal to 30. And let's look closely on the left side. What do we have on the left side? We can easily cancel A right here, C right here, and C right here. So as a result, we have only B times B, which is equal to B square. Okay, so as a result, from here, we have on the left side, we have B square, and on the right side, when we multiply it, we can easily cancel, for example, this 30 and this 10. As a result, right here we have 3, right here we have 1. So as a result, we have only 20 divided by 3. So B square equal to 20 divided by 3. Let's do the same thing, but with a little bit different order. So let's multiply AB times CA and divide it by BC. Let's see what will happen. So our second step, we're gonna multiply AB times, instead of BC, we're going to write CA. So CA, and we divide it by BC. And the same thing, we know everything about it. AB equal to 10, but CA equal to 30. So right here in our numerator, we have 10 times 30, and we're going to divide it by BC. BC equal to, from here we have 20. And right now, if we look closely, we can easily cancel 10 with the 20. As a result, we have 2 in our denominator. 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. Everything is great, but what do we have on the left side? We can easily cancel our B right here, C right here, and C right here. So we have A times A, we have A square. So in this second expression, we have A square equal to, and as I said before, we have right here 30 divided by 2, we have 15. So on the first position, we have B square equal to 20 divided by 3, extremely important expression. We have A square equal to 15, and it looks like we need to find our C square. So let's do this right now. Let's find our C square, and for this, let's divide BC times CA and divide it by AB. Let's see what will happen. So right here, BC from here equal to 20, from the beginning, 20 times CA equal to 30, 20 times 30, and we're going to divide it by AB. AB equal to 10 from the beginning. So we have 10. As a result, 20 we can easily cancel with 10. So as a result, we have 2 times 30, we have 60. But what do we have on the left side? We can easily cancel A right here, B right here, and right here. So as a result, we have C times C equal to C square. So as a result, that's the expression that we exactly need. Okay, so we have C square equal to, right here, we have 2 times 30 equal to 60. So C square equal to 60. This is our first step. I really hope you understand it. I don't think that this is hard for you. We can easily pause the video and look at it from another perspective. We just multiplied a lot of like expressions with different combinations right here. So as a result, I really hope you get it. What do we do at the second step? Our second step, so after this step, we need to remember a really important expression for us, because we need to find our A plus B plus C. And there is an extremely important expression in algebra. It looks like that. So when we have A plus B plus C, when we raise this to the second power, as a result, this is equal to A square plus B square plus C square and plus 2 times AB plus BC and plus CA. Okay, I really hope you understand. This is algebraic expression, all-known expression. And right now, if you look closely, sorry, we know A square right here. We know B square right here. We know C square from here. We know all of these products, AB, BC, CA from the beginning. So right now, let's plug in each of these elements into this spot. Let's do this. So we have A plus B plus C to the second power equal to A square, B square, C square. A square, 15. Yes, so we have 15 plus b squared equal to 20 over, from here we have 20 over 3. 20 over 3 and plus c square equal to 60. So plus 60 and plus 2 times we have AB plus BC plus CA. So we have 10 plus 20 plus 30 in our parentheses from the beginning. We have 10 plus 20 and plus 30. So 10 plus 20 and plus 30. Let's simplify this a little bit. So we don't need to touch this expression on the left side. So let's just rewrite it. So we have A plus B plus C to the second power. But let's look closely. What do we have right here? We have a long and complicated expression. First of all, we can easily add 15 plus 60. From here, as a result, we have 75. Yes, we have 75 plus. I just want to leave this fraction real quick. So plus 20 over 3. And let's multiply expression in our parentheses. So we have 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 times 2, we have 120. So plus 120. Let's simplify this real quick. So let's rewrite it. First of all, we have A plus B plus C to the second power equal to, so 75 plus 120 equal to 95 and plus 20 over 3. Let's write it. This is a fraction, but doesn't matter. And our last step, we need to add it. So first of all, we need to find our common denominator. For this, we can easily find it because our common denominator is 3. Yeah, 3. And as a result, right here, we need to multiply 195 by 3. So 195 times 3. And we need to add to this, we need to add 20 plus 20 times 1 if you're talking about definition, but doesn't matter. Okay, and our answer to this part, so we have A plus B and plus C to the second power equal to, so we have 195 times 3. So we have 585 plus, right here we have 20 times 1, we have 20. So 20, and we divide it by 3. We can easily add it. 585 plus 20 equal to 605 all over 3. It looks like this is our answer, but in our case we need to find our A plus B plus C. But right here we have square, so for this we need to find a square root on both sides. So as a result, our A plus B, so this is our square, I hope you see it. So A plus B plus C to the second power equal to this expression, but we need to find A plus B plus C without a second power. So we need to find our square root. So A plus B plus C equal to square root of 605 over 3. And let's simplify this real quick. We can easily do this. So let's simplify our expression. So we have A plus B plus C equal to square root of 605 over square root of 3 according to a definition. Yeah, we can easily split it. But this 605 we can easily express in another way. So let's do this. So 605, we can divide it. Let's try to divide it by 5. I hope we can divide it by 5. So we're going to divide it by 5. As a result, we have 121. We can easily divide it by 11 equal to 11. 11 right here, 1 and 1. So we can easily express this 605 as 5 times 11 square. So let's do this. So square root of 5 times 11 square over square root of 3. Let's simplify this right here. This is our last step. From here we can easily split it. Square root of 5 times square root of 11 square over square root of 3. And from here from here we can easily write it as 11 right here. Yeah, this is equal to 11. We can easily cancel our 2 and square root sign. So 11 square root of 5 over square root of 3. And it looks like this is our answer to this question. But for better answer, if we're talking about square root in our denominator, maybe you don't need it in our denominator. So for this, you can easily multiply our numerator by 3 and our denominator by 3. As a result, we can easily write our denominator square root of 3 times square root of 3 equal to 3. 11, we don't need to touch it, and a square root of 5 times square root of 3 equal to square root of 15. Okay, square root of 15, and this is our answer. We can't simplify this more because maybe we can divide 11 by 3. Okay, this we don't need to touch it. Okay, this is our answer. We don't need to simplify it because we can't. We obviously can't simplify it because we have this is enough for us. We can't multiply, we can't divide. This is our answer. This is our great answer, and let's write our answer right here in this line. So our answer to this question. So we have A plus B and plus C equal to 11 square root of 15 over 3. this is our answer to this question. So I really hope you understand it. A great question. A lot of students fail to solve this question on their examination, and maybe a lot of students try to solve this question in a hard way. They try to find different combinations. But as you can see right here, I really hope you get this point. I really hope you understand my explanation. So we find squares, our first step. Secondly, maybe the main thing is to remember this formula. I'm not gonna lie, this formula is extremely important for us because in this formula we have expression that we need to find. Secondly, we have sum of squares, and thirdly, we have exactly expression that we really need because we know everything about it. We know squares, we know this thing. So I really hope you learned it, and I really hope this video is helpful for you. And of course, if this video is helpful, you can easily leave a like, write any comment, write your thoughts about it. It's really important for me, and of course for this video. Maybe a lot of students gonna watch this lesson, this class, and I'm really grateful for everyone who gonna support this video with different signs, yeah, with the respond in the comment section. It's really interesting. Maybe a lot of teachers watch my videos, a lot of students. So write your response down into the comment section. What do you think about it? Maybe you have another variation, because this question is this question we can easily solve in a different way, and there are a lot of ways how can you do this. I'm not gonna lie, and this is mine. I really like it because I'm gonna say this is clear way to solve it without any weird lines. We find squares, we plug in everything that we know in this formula. So I really hope you enjoy it. So if you do, it's great. Yeah, I think this video is helpful for you. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your life. Take care of yourself, and also write your notes, write your response down into the comment section. So wish you all the best in your life. Take care of yourself and have a great day. See you in the next videos.